Hi, Steve here. I'm pretty excited, really excited. In fact, today, as I do this video, is the 24th of May 2017. And what that means is we've been going one full year and 1 day with S Deluxe. S Deluxe is a horse racing auto betting bot that does the betting when you're not there. So let's have a look. What did it do over the first year? Well, we had 362 betting days, and we bet two strategies. In our backing strategy, we were betting the first place favourite in the UK and Irish racing. And our second strategy was a laying strategy where we laid the fifth favourite in the win market in the UK and Ireland. The exact settings we used for this are down below on the main page. You can see them there, clear as day, exactly what we used. Now the great thing about it is it does the betting without you. Once you set it up, I had mine on a VPS, and in that 12 months while I had it running, I had a month in Thailand, didn't touch the bot. I had 2 weeks over in Queensland and Australia, didn't touch the bot. Been up north in the caravan, didn't touch the bot. So the thing is, it is an automated software. Now, if you're going to run it on your laptop, obviously you've got to start it each day and finish it each day. But I run it on a VPS, cost me £18 a month, and it sits on that VPS in London, and it just stays on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay, what did it do? Well, in the place market, it had 5,740 bets, and it won 3,223 of them. So we had a 56% strike rate. Now that strike rate never really deviated from the first month that we started doing it. Okay, and I'll show you a chart very shortly, the two charts. And that gave us 4% return on investment. What does that mean? It means for every pound that we bet, we got 4p profit. Now if that's for every pound, not some of them, every pound. So on a £500 bank, we had a growth of 239%. So our £500 bank made us £1,196 profit. So nearly £1,200 profit from a £500 bank. And in the laying market, a lot less bets, obviously. Just over 2,000 bets for 1,500 wins and a 90% strike rate. 1% return, so for every pound we put on, we got 1 pence profit. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it all adds up. So on a bank of £500, we made a profit of £538. So the bank doubled, and in fact went another 8%, so 108% of growth in the lay market. So combined, if we just move this down, I'll show you. So it showed in the 362 days we had this bot running on a £1,000 bank, that's £500 for the place market and £500 for the lay market, we made a profit combined of £1,735 for those two scenarios. So now the £1,000 bank that we started with back on the 24th of May last year is now 2,735, all on autopilot. Okay, let's just have a look at a couple of, I want to keep this video real short, so let's have a look at the backing. Okay, this was the backing, and we can see here, the blue lines here is our day-to-day return for every day that we bet. There's the returns. So these ones below this white line are obviously losses, and these are the numbers over here. So on this loss here, we lost £15 on this day here. Okay, so you can see a couple of drops, and the drops in the backing market are essentially, if we look here, these drops are associated with the change of season. So we had obviously here a lot of 2-year-old racing where the favourites were pretty weak favourites, obviously, and we did drop a lot. We were sitting there at about 113 points profit, and we dropped down to 60 in a matter of only from the 11th of September, I think, to the 28th of September. So really bad week and a bit for us there. But the important thing to remember is we come back again, and then again, the change of season again, we had another drop. So this is where you've got a whole lot of new horses starting, so some horses not going as well as what they're purported to do, and the bookmakers offering false odds there. And so the start of each season has been very poor for us. But we continue to run it, and this year I'll continue to run it again and see if we get these same bad downturns. But the ultimate line is, looking at this side, is still 120 points profit for the year. Okay, even with these big drops. Okay, now if we have a look at the laying market. Okay, here we have the laying market here, and we can get some drops there. The big blue lines there are the drops of the day-to-day things, and then obviously you can see there we've had a couple of losing spells again. But like in racing, nothing is smooth. There's all this jaggedness. The thing is, at the start of the year, and if you're in front at the end of the year, that's the main thing. And as I said, you're doing this on automation. You're not sitting by the computer each day, following the markets, following the prices, doing the bets. The software is doing the bets for you. So this loss that we had halfway through April, we can see now we've just about got half it back already. So it's very, very consistent, and it does the bets when you're not there. Just want to show you one more, and then I'll finish this video because I don't want it to be too long. Here is the month-to-month trading on the place lay. So you can see there, on the place backing, sorry, you can see that we've had 2 poor months, but all the rest have been in profit. And as you can see here, that's our profit on our £500 bank. Okay, so it's our first anniversary. Jump in, grab the software, set it up. If you can, put it on a VPS, it's so much the better, because it's less worry about having to start it in the morning and then having to turn it off. I mean, you can run it on a laptop 24/7, but obviously you've got power cuts, you've got internet dropouts, things like that. At least on the VPS, they are very, very rare. They do happen occasionally, but very rare. Okay, so on behalf of Michael and Steve, thanks for coming to our first birthday celebration of S Deluxe, and we hope you see merit to grab 6-month or 12-month license of this very great software of ours. Thank you.